Well, that was fine. That was fine for last night. The most I've ever
Yes. I'm sure any of it.
Well, I can edit that out.
So do you know what that means? Oh, by the way, did you reply to me? I didn't. No, it's very neat. I just thought. Now, the one that she said, there was something she asked a question, and I then re-quoted. Yes.
I found
Thinking, can you say it was something like Woolwyn or something? Do you remember the car?
Shouldn't mention it. I would have told you. It's terrible. It's spaghetti. I tell you what. But I've sent her a photograph of slightness in the area.
That's right.
Ekhon nhé. Ngắn chạy bus suya.
Channel J di
Ekhon. Nó họ nó và lại 30 khẩu giờ.
Actually, this time we have given the responsibilities of this accommodation and then like lunch and hospitality and all these things we have given to different parties this time. Now, Village Council is not going to take other responsibilities, but in fact, today we are very happy. On behalf of the village, once again, I want to express that we are very happy that you have come to our village again. Though our village is not beautiful, though our village is not good, you are coming and you have come back all the way from UK and very far away to this small place. That is why, on behalf of all the villages, once again and again, thank all of you, and I wish all of you stay happy and then be happy for whatever you do and wherever you go. And anything we can we will be always available. And then since this is the village, this is in India, and you have come from very developed places and countries, you may not satisfy the arrangement and everything that we met. However, once again, I want to say here and then to apologize for whatever it will be and it may be. And lastly, I wish happy stay here and enjoy and take your time. And anytime and as long as you are here, we will be here and we will assist and we will extend our help.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day and then have a nice night.
Yeah.
I mean,
Cái set up sẽ là điều gì?
whatever. And
Tại
this
nhắn kiếm nó
night,
nhầm phổ biến.
from this
Tại
hill,
tem mà lại ạ.
in our village we have
Yeah.
4 camps divided into 4 camps.
Mo pun
So this is one
ai
of
pun
the
set up
little
sih.
camps. So
Yeah.
from this our camp, from this camp,
Iya cái
they are going to
program sang
present
phổ biến rồi. Speech.
folk song,
Cái trong mùi nó nó chú ý
cultural
Muốn bùi phát chú ý.
which the forefathers and then forefathers they sung
Ở đâu sang giải tiếng nhé.
during the World War II. They are going to present
Tìm một số phim
and also
Mẹ hình thật bút trong cần nhé.
young boys they are
like 50.
present
Школа. Общий подожди. Kisah ni dia ada kalau. Bukan saya sepeda dia. Kamar lah. Nah, Ekhon sepeda ni kan cuma jauh. Ya, itu mu.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to our village. First of all, I, on behalf of the Jasami villagers and representing this colony as well, as our chairman has said, we have 4 colonies in our village. So this is Potemi Ekhon, which means Potemi colony. Okay. So I stand here on behalf of the Jasami villagers and on behalf of the colony as well. I would like to give an honor and respect to the Dr. Robert Leyland, a renowned war historian. Would you please stand and show your face to all?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And also, I would like to give our honor and respect to Yai Paba Kanjam, a proprietor of Battle of Impal Tours. And Sir Bertie Lawson Alexander, CEO of Sampan Travel. Thank you, sir. And the entire team and the entire guests gathered here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand here before you all on behalf of the entire villages. I would like to welcome each and every one of you. Your presence here tonight is a true honor, and we are privileged to have such esteemed guests in our midst tonight. As we have history professor among us and his team, sir, you understand the importance of preserving and learning from the past. Today, we invite you to explore the history of our village, particularly during the World War II. During the war, our village have played a significant role in the encounter between the Japanese and the British force in March 1944. The stories of bravery and sacrifices from the time still echo through our community today. We are honored to share our history with you and to learn from you, from your expertise. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoy your stay, and we hope you enjoy your times exploring our village and connecting with our community. Welcome to Jasami. Thank you for visiting us.
Thank you very much.
Before going to our dinner, we have planned this evening with some entertainment and with some cultural songs. So, first of all, I would like to call upon our performers who are going to take part in singing. Let's present them our cultural song. This is a song sang during in Japanese and British War. Okay. So this song is about invasion of Japanese at Jasami homeland. It was composed by the soldiers from Assam regiment belonging from Angami and Chagasan tribe. It goes like this. The song goes like this: Japanese army are approaching fast. Why are you, the native of Jasami, feeling so insecure and apprehensive? We are your own people who are here to defend you. British were caught off guard with the swift arrival of Japanese. American has dropped a monstrous bomb somewhere in Japan. The life of soldier is uncertain. There will be never war yet again. This is the song. So I call them to come and take the.
Ono Yusami, Divi Peyose, Taizo, there is a head, Taizo, Unezo, Taizo. Beke molene, Terike kake molo, Japami, Upatalishe. O America, terreno che veleno, che conati che sono, come polishi, no polishi. Anamitsu pagimi, sodorisa tasheho, nanarisa tasheho, kanami. Evami, Burmami, Uje Motele, Sezete Solatele, Kanami. Uge, Dilene, Kulito, Bayoshe, Kulito, Bayoshe. Ono Yesami, Divi Peyoshe, Taizo, Dirisa, Taizo, Unezo, Taizo. Eke molene, Terike kake mole, Jepami, Upatalishe. O America, terreno che veleno, che fondati che sono, bombi polishi, no polishi. Anamitsu pahimi, sodore satasheho, nanare satasheho, kanami. Kevami, Burnami, Uje Motele, Sezeke Solatele, Kanami.
Now coming to the next, we have a victory dance. Victory dance, uh, in our dialect, we call it the Koketsu. So, actually, this is a warrior dance depicting power, might, and agility performed by the victorious warrior through the ages. Victory perform a dance performed after the battle to celebrate its victory. Certain code of conduct must be followed while performing this heroic act. Imitating after a hawk hovering over the sky, ready to swoop down to prey upon its enemy. The warrior, with its flashing arms and open chest, leap into the air and stamp vigorously his foot into the ground twice and sprint forward to a certain position where the earlier act is repeated. During the head hunting era, it's an authoritative gesture challenging the opponent for a duel fight. Now, let's witness the victory dance of our forefathers. May he come and take his time. Thank you so much. This is how our forefathers celebrate its victory. Now, next we have an entertainment. We have a handsome guy who knows all the sounds of animals, who imitates, who mimics the sounds of animal. So I welcome Wekute Weza to come and take his time. so much. I thought that was a unique talent. Now next we have a special number, another cultural song from our friend. Diutola and Infotop, please come in. Sorry, please come and take your time. Thank you so much to all the participants who have taken part tonight. Now, if there is anything you want to share, you can come and take your time. If there is anyone who want to share something about anything.
Well, thank you very much indeed, everyone, participants and the town council. We're very grateful to be here again and to be enjoying your marvelous hospitality. We love Jasami. You are more civilized than we are, so don't feel embarrassed about what you're offering us here tonight because it's unique and we're very privileged to take part. We're very pleased to be in your lovely country. We're very pleased to be in Manipur. We're very pleased to be in the Naga Hills. As you've said, it has great historic significance for yourselves, for India, for us in the UK, and for the entire world, because great events happened here during the Second World War, and you were all part of it. So it's important that we remember it. It's very good that we're able to come back and enjoy this with you. We thank you for your hospitality. We are looking forward to our time tomorrow. And we enjoy seeing everyone here, all the children and the families, and we're looking forward to meeting you tomorrow as well as we spend time with you. So thank you very much indeed for tonight. Thank you for our accommodation. Thank you for our hot water. It's fabulous, and we're very excited to be here. So thank you very much indeed.
Good evening, everyone. Dr. Lyman has said most that I can say, but I'll reiterate it. For some of us, like myself and Yakubar and Rob, we've been lucky to come here a few times now, and each time your hospitality is fantastic, and we're very grateful for the warmth that you give us and the time you go in preparing everything for us. This is always more than we need, but it's so special to have this each time we come. For some of the gentlemen here, it is their first time in Jessamy. They only arrived this evening, but I know they're looking forward to exploring your village more tomorrow and on the day after as well. As Rob said, we are here to explore the history. It was a pivotal moment in the history of the world, indeed, the Battle of Jessamy, a brutal time for the soldiers, but also for the people of Jessamy who were not fighting and who thought it was not that war came to these hills. So over the next day and a half, we are going to be thinking about the soldiers, but also your ancestors who lived here and who went through that time. So on behalf of the whole group, I say thank you very much again for having us. Thank you so much for the performers who were fantastic again, and we look forward to meeting you all more this evening and indeed tomorrow. So thank you very much. Thank you all.
If there is anyone to take, who want to take time, you can come and take a time. If there is any.
Thank you very much. Nice to see you again. Thank you very much. Fabulous. One of the things, he's gone, the man, the mimic. Oh, the one who mimic. Oh, there. He's around here. Congratulations. How did you know how to make those voices?
Non geçeceğiz o me.
Thank you, sir. No, that's okay. That's fine. Congratulations. That's great. It's, no wonder there are no birds in Nagaland. No wonder there are no birds in Nagaland because he's out there. He's the bird. He's the Naga bird. Yeah, he knows all that. But sometimes. Thank you. He's very talented. You're all very talented. You're all very talented. Thank you. Thank you. What do you do in the village? I'm just coming for holiday. Oh, you really? So where do you normally work? So what do you do? Your mum and dad.
Excuse me. Oh yeah.
It's a long way to come, isn't it? I'm glad you're back. His home is very important. One day, you'll have a expecting. Oh, good. Have you got a lady? We have. Well, and will you come back there or will you live in Ghana somewhere else? Maybe I'll and money come back and marry me. A lot of the villages there, young people go away and don't come back. It's hard to learn. Did you really?
이래.
It's fabulous to be here. I've always wanted to come to this, but I've always not really got beyond. It's a pleasure to hear you answer. You're going to join us for food? I'm going to join us. Okay. So, do it. I've no idea. Oh, let's talk to Bert.
Just feel like home, sir. It's
Okay.
okay.
Hello, sir.
Whatever you want to do, it's all
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm so
You-
good. Yeah, I'm just a free priest for
Yeah.
our this district, and
Okay.
I just want to ask you,
Yeah.
how is my village?
Your village is beautiful.
Okay.
It's a traditional Naga village, and the primary characteristic of Naga villages is hospitality, and you do it magnificently.
Okay, thank you.
You've welcomed us into your village. You've given us a cultural show. You've given us some accommodation, hot water, and food. So, what more do we want?
Okay,
very much.
thank you so much. By the way, I just want to ask you about the World War II. Yeah, how this happen? Do you know some things about our village, Jasami?
Yes, well, your village in Tasami was very important in the Second World War because the Japanese came here on their way to Kohima.
Okay.
And they came through the hills from north and south after crossing the river Chinwin, and they stopped in Jasami, and they saw that it was defended by men of the Assam Regiment. And they fought the men of the Assam Regiment here from the 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th, and into the 1st of March and the 1st of April. And the men of the Assam Regiment fought them very bravely, but then they withdrew successfully to Kohima and fought in the Battle of Kohima. So Jasami was very important because it slowed the Japanese down. The Japanese suffered lots of casualties here, and it meant that the Allies at Kohima were ultimately successful. So that's why this battle was very important.
Okay, thank you so much for your hard works, and thank you so much for your research.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Thank you.
Nice to be here. Thank you.
Nice to be. Thanks so much.
So that's all yours. That's okay. Brilliant. Thanks. I think we'll go straight to food. Is that right?
You guys just want to stay for a while. Yeah, before you leave, yeah.
Actually, smells not too bad. The closer you get,
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? I know.
Wine is coming.
I think that's not after,
And this next.
What is that? Hi, cousin.
Like 10 minutes. So you're waiting for?
Uh, waiting for guests.
Waiting for guests.
Yeah.
Like 10 minutes as well.
So left me 34 minutes.
No.
Waiting for guests. Then
Apa ni guest apa ni kau sudah mau ada. Sudah ada apa semua dah pun. Ni harus buat untuk saya.
stop sini ya. Wait ya. What? Wait. Left them all. 在 35 minutes 的。
Did we meet last time? That was a very good speech.
Go left 做点了。Go left 做点了。إلا بعد تفصل.
My full name is Mr. Pepper. But it's difficult for you to
Oh.
pronounce.
Petzo. Okay, well, I'm Bertie.
如果你出来我全部给人在 life 制药，他说 life 制药。
Most of our villages we have two names.
Yeah.
Long
चलो
My name is Nicholas, but everybody calls me Nick.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a friend from Angami who's Pete Zapu. Too long. He goes by Zapu. Much easier. You remember. That's all. So you're from this kill, right? Yeah. It was so nice to be here.
It's amazing. I was just saying to the guy I was talking to, the singer,
Actually, we could tell us about decoration, something like that. Because there's lack of electricity now.
That's very kind.
that's very good. Yeah, very kind.
There's no electricity tonight.
Yeah. Normally you have quite good. But there are a few times
This problem.
Because the electric wire that come from the factory, the posts that they have constructed, they are not straight. From the beginning, constructed that post to connect the wire. They were like this, some are like this, some are like this. And there is wind, rain. So this is all of us about that.
ta left them rồi
Thế mày ạ? Oui, your life will stop. And will no longer be like. Ta life there. Life there.
cancel สิ่งที่ไม่
Okay, or
3